Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to show you how to get a Cash App referral code, which is a fantastic way to earn some extra cash. Because if you are new to Cash App, or even if you've been using it for a while, this is a great opportunity to put some money back in your pocket. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right off the bat, to take advantage of these benefits, guys, you'll need to find someone who has a Cash App referral code to share with you, or look for promotions on Cash App's official website. Okay, so I'm here at the cashapp.com or within the app itself. All right, so what I want you to do is go to your mobile device, and just open the mobile app. All right, you can see the section on your profile. You can see the activity and then invite friends. It should look something like this. It has like a invite friends and get $15. All right, so you can send as many as you want. Say for example you have 45 friends, send them all, and there's a highly chance of them getting the accepting the invite and get $15, of course. Now, also, I just wanted to point out that some referral programs includes a feature. If you are successfully refer multiple people, your referral rewards can increase. And if you refer friends, say for example they order a Cash App card, you might earn additional bonuses or cashback on their transactions using the card. And it might also include discounts, cashback, or other special deals that you wouldn't get if you signed up directly. All right, so if you're lost during the navigation process, I suggest you go here on the Cash App help. So this is where you can find on how to invite friends. Once again, open your Cash App and tap the activity tab, invite friends, and when someone new to Cash App creates an account, enters your referral code, and sends a qualifying payment from a new linked debit card, you'll both get an invitation bonus. Your referral code is the combination of numbers and letters at the end of your invitation link and can be shared directly from the app or online. And also, guys, your friend will have 14 days from the date they entered your referral code to verify their account and send a qualifying payment. All right. At the end of the 14 days, the referral bonus will expire. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.